CPVC pipes, as they are commonly called, are the most popular pipes currently in use for internal water supply. Being non-metal, they can be used for hot water supply and withstand temperatures up to 95 degrees Celsius. They are commercially available in sizes ranging from half to 8 inches under various classifications. Before starting jointing, ensure the pipe and fittings are size compatible. You can easily cut the pipe with a wheel-type plastic pipe cutter, ratchet-type plastic pipe cutter, or a hacksaw blade. Cutting a tube as squarely as possible provides optimal bonding area with the joint. Burrs or filings can prevent proper contact in the joint during assembly and should be removed from inside and outside of the pipe. A pocket knife or file suffice the purpose. A sight bevel on the end of the tubing will ease entry of the tubing into the fitting. Using a clean, dry rag, wipe off dirt and moisture from the fitting sockets and the tubing's external ends. The tubing should make contact with the socket wall 1/3 to 2/3 of the way into the fitting socket. Only CPVC solvent cement should be used, or all-purpose cement conforming to ASTM 439, else a joint failure may result. When making a joint, apply an even coat of cement to the pipe end. Use the same applicator without additional cement to apply a coat inside the fitting socket. Too much cement can clog the tubing or cause beads of cement at the joint, damaging the pipe in the long run, also increasing the cost factor. Immediately insert the tubing into the fitting socket, rotate the tube 1/4 to half a turn while inserting. This ensures uneven distribution of cement within the joint. Align the fittings. Hold the assembly for approximately 10 seconds, allowing the joint to set up. Solvent cement set and cure times are a function of pipe size, temperature and relative humidity. Curing time is shorter for drier environments, smaller sizes and higher temperatures. Usually it requires 10 to 20 minutes for a perfect joint.